In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Google Ads campaign and explore whether you should actually do it. This guide is designed to help you effectively manage your advertising efforts and make informed decisions on pausing campaigns without disrupting your marketing momentum. Let's start by navigating to the Google Ads platform. You can easily find it by typing Google Ads into your search bar or going directly to ads.google.com. This platform is your gateway to all your advertising activities, so it's important to be familiar with its interface. Once you arrive at the Google Ads homepage, you'll notice a sign in button prominently located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and proceed to log into your account with your credentials. This step ensures that you can access all your campaign settings and insights seamlessly. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home screen. This hub gives you an overview of your active campaigns, performance metrics, and other critical information that you need to stay on top of your advertising game. From here, locate the Campaign tab, a crucial component where you manage your individual campaigns. Clicking on Campaign will unfold a list of all your active, paused, and even drafted campaigns. In the next step, you'll need to head over to the Settings tab. This section is vital because it contains all the customization options associated with a campaign, including its status. Clicking on Settings will take you to a familiar interface showing various toggles and checkboxes that dictate how your campaigns behave. Once you're in the settings, focus on finding the campaign status. This is where you'll be one step away from pausing your campaign. The campaign status option allows you to change the running state of your campaign efficiently. Finally, when you're ready, click on the paused option. This action will halt all activities related to the selected campaign until you decide to resume or change its status later on. Pausing a campaign is a strategic move, and while it can offer breathing space to reassess strategies or budgets, be cautious not to disrupt ongoing engagement or lose momentum. To sum it up, pausing your Google Ads campaign is quite straightforward, but involves several key steps to ensure all changes are implemented correctly. Always weigh the pros and cons of pausing campaigns in terms of budget, performance, and market trends. This way you can make informed decisions that align with your business goals. Thank you for watching and happy advertising.